Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this VRS tempered glass screen protector install for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. I am using a dummy device, and I know that some of you are saying right now, why in the world would you waste a very, very good tempered glass screen protector on a dummy device? Well, to show you how to do the install, which is pretty simple, and I actually have a crack on the dummy device cover display there, so I want to protect that area so it doesn't get any worse. But mainly it's just wanting to show the process. Every case you order for the Z Fold 8 Ultra or the Z Fold 8 Wide, bam, right there, from VRS, you're going to get a tempered glass screen protector, which is a huge thumbs up. I recently reviewed the Modern Ice Blue for the Z Fold 8 Ultra. You can go check out that video. That is the packaging for that specific case. I'm using the screen protector that came within the packaging for this install. You're going to get an installation guide, an actual guide to help with the installation, a user guide with extra adhesive strips, which is super duper cool, a toolkit, installation auxiliary tools, and the actual screen protector that doesn't have a circular cutout. Now, some of you may see that as a good or a bad thing. That just depends. It really doesn't matter to me, as long as you wipe down the glass protector when taking selfies. You're gonna get a great picture utilizing the front-facing camera. I'm using this cloth to hold the Z Fold 8 Ultra dummy device in place. So what I'm gonna do is get into the little auxiliary kit here. You get a micro cloth, put that right there, put that in the garbage, alcohol prep wipe, and a dust paster or absorber. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's it. That's what you get. Okay, so what I want to do first, give the Z Fold 8 Ultra dummy device a nice wipe down. Okay, want to make sure the cover display is really, really clean. And then the dust absorber. Top. There's the front facing camera, so we're going to put that up there like that. Okay. Okay, one more time. I'm going to take off that film, lay down the tempered glass screen protector. I use my thumbnail, and I've gotten feedback telling me like, hey man, you're going to scratch the screen protector. You'd be surprised how good some of these screen protectors are. Either way, I'll do that off camera. I'll finish squeezing out those bubbles. Basically, I just wanted to get that on there and show you the process. It's, again, pretty darn simple. You just want to find the time during the day when there's not a lot going on, so you can take your time and do it right. But yeah, that looks really, really good. You can see the bubbles there, but you want a little more distance between the screen protector and where the hinge area is, right in here, than what you got going on right there. And that's the way it should lay down. That way, the thinnest part of the frame there lays in that area right there. There's an adhesive strip, so if I was to peel off the protective film over the adhesive and put on the frame, you would want the thinner part of the frame by the hinge area to sit right behind the edge of the tempered glass screen protector. It's okay if you have a little bit of a gap there, like that. Yeah, that is great right there. That way, these areas sit all the way down the way they're supposed to. Because if the thinner part of the frame sits on the glass, it's not going to sit properly right in there. And that right there would be bad. So you would have to pull off the tempered glass screen protector and realign it. Okay, so with that being said, that is the install. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. I'll leave the information to purchase down below in the description area. With that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.
That's all, folks.